Alright guys, well, thank you for joining me one more time. Today we're going to be making another authentic breakfast for today. What time is it? It is 10:56 currently. So we're about to make some good breakfast. They call it chorizo with egg. As you could, if you checked out the last video, I made ham and cheese, ham and egg. But now I'm making chorizo with egg. No burritos this time because today we're gonna make a good ass bread. They call it bolillos. Alright, so I'm gonna give you a full list of exactly what you need to make these happen. Make this happen. First thing you're gonna need is some eggs. That's the first item you're gonna need. You're gonna need some eggs. You're gonna need some crema salvadoreña. Crema salvadoreña, Salvadorian cream, I guess, crema. The next item you are gonna need is the chorizo, which is like spicy sausage, I guess, with egg, whatever. The next item you are going to need, guys, is Don Francisco fresh shit. I mean, you could get any fresh cheese, but you know, anything will do. The next item you are going to need, guys, will be bolillos. Not los gringos, but los bolillos. It's a joke. Relax. Okay? Boom, bolillos. Because this bread, see, you gotta cut it in half and you gotta put all that shit in there with the crema, with the cheese, with the everything, okay? Oh, so I am live, guys. Look. Just so y'all know, look. It's live. I'm doing this live too because shit, I want everybody to know a good breakfast. I mean, any breakfast is good, you know. Everybody goes out, like to Facebook. People go out to like Burger King, Taco Bell, and like other shit, and I'm just like, why? Why you gotta do that? Now, I already have the shit ready here. As you can see, they made some shit, right? But I'm gonna make it authentic. So we need to turn this all the way up here, around there. What else? We need to find a pan, a small pan. So in the last video that I made, I always recommended getting Pam. And I still recommend you getting Pam. Alright, check it out, guys. Let me see if this. Can you fix yourself? Pam, original Pam. We're gonna cut this shit out of it, alright guys? We're gonna cut this shit out of the shit. So make sure they're split. Now I'm only making one. So no te voy a decir uno de estas shits. Cause you know te voy a gastar chingada madre like that. They're so fucking expensive. Like the chorizo is like a $6 per pound. And I'm just like, God damn, dude. How the fuck is it gonna be $6 for this shit? Alright, so before anything, guys, make sure that your hands are washed. Because if you put contaminations on the contaminations, you are gonna get contaminated. It's simple as that. It's no runabouts. Make sure que el chorizo, once you have it put on the pan, you put the shit back. Porque luego se calienta, it gets warm, and then you fuck the whole thing over. You already have the shit warming up. So all you have to do is make it more hotter. Cause your family's hungry, your children is hungry, your mom is hungry, you're trying to feed everybody. So you just like, hurry the fuck up, right? Alright, so se quebra el chorizo into smaller pieces. No mochado, don't like squish it till it's dead, you know, pero, I mean, although it's already dead. Solo hazlo un ratito, you know, like, mocharlo un poquito que se quebre. en suficiente espacio. Spread it out. How the fuck do you say spread it out in Spanish? Ábrelos. No, that's not it. Alright, so ahorita cocinando el chorizo. As you can see here, guys. Let me see, let me try to. Boom, so now that we have the shit grilling, guys. We got the grilling on the grill. The chorizo on the grill. And again, I already have some made, but this is just for the video purposes. Again, I'm gonna just say you're gonna need the eggs, you're gonna need some Salvadorian cream, some fresh cheese, and the bolillos. Never forget the bolillos. The bolillos are the most important thing that you could get. Although you could use some tortillas or some shit. Trust me, it's better. Alright, so vamos a dejar eso que se cocine. We're gonna let this shit settle down, guys, because let it cook for a while. Now that it grilled a little bit, now we can start moving it. And then once you start moving it, you're gonna see que ya se comenzó a pegar. No pegar, pero like, it started to kind of stick, which means it's cooking. So all you have to do is keep moving the bitch around. Okay, I can't grab the handle. But as you can see, it's starting to look a little bit more, what's it called? Dorado, or like, not burnt. Dude, my Spanish sucks. Like, I really don't even fucking know Spanish that much anymore. You need to help me out, guys. Out of those eggs, you're gonna need a small ass plate. Cause literally all you're gonna have to do is crack them into the shit. So you go 1, 2, and then boom. Look at that. You'll be like 1, 2, and then just pop it open with one hand. Bam. I know y'all could do it. One hand is not that bad. Alright. Throw that shit away. If you get it in your hands, obviously wash your hands. But with this knife, although you cut the shit, right? Although you cut the chorizo, or how you say, como se dice in English, according to Google, chorizo. All you have to do, again, like the last video I made, you have to flick of the wrist. Why? Because they call it the whisk. The whisk, flick of the wrist, now you know. So you just mix it up. All you have to do is mix up the shit. And you're done. That's it. Go back to your shit. See? You just mix it. I'm making a little bit, again, because it's just for me. Ya he hecho, pero just for video purposes, I'm just doing it here again. Watch, it's gonna be so fucking good, guys. De que tienes esta shit, right? Y miras que kinda se mira ya hecho, right? So what you're gonna do is you pour it like you own it. You gotta pour it like you own it. You bought this chorizo, $6 la pound, $6 a pound. Boom. Alright. That kind of looks better. Alright, so está el huevo chorizo, right? It's been cooking. Obviously, we know it's been cooking. Alright? So, as you can see here, right? El chorizo ya está más o menos terminado. As you can see here, guys, the shit is almost done. So, since it's still fiery, all you have to do is mix it a little bit more, and because it is hot, it will cook a little bit more. So now that this is done, guaranteed, Now you have to put this pan, onto that fire. Because you're done. Your chorizo is done. You see how easy was that? All you have to do is the chorizo. So now that being said, now since this is heating up, this is gonna be our flatbed. Oh no, not flatbed. That's what they call it? The breads. You're gonna need 2. Usually I eat 2. But yeah, so you get these 2 breads, right? You get yourself a knife. You get yourself a knife, and then you dry it, obviously. And then what you're gonna do is that you're gonna want to split these in half, right? So you start it from this point right here, and you just cut it in half. So by the time it's cut, you can open it and just slap it on the shit. All you're doing is tostando los breads. That's all you're doing. You're toasting the breads. Why you want to toast the bread? Because it tastes better like that. Trust me, dude. I'm not doing this for no fucking reason. This shit is some good shit. All you have to do is make some good ass chorizo, toast some breads, put this cream on the bread, and then once it's done, since it's gonna be so hot, you put the cheese on the shit, and you should be fine. It's easy, guys. Doesn't take a lot. Usually I do this. I'm doing these cook videos because people are always in a hurry. Have the breads, right? So the breads, you can just press it down if you want. Let's see, let's check it out. See how toasty they're getting? This shit is fucking, it's gonna come out delicious, dude. Alright. Then let's check out this ones. Look at that, dude! Alright, so when you next up your plates, always choose your plates. Since I don't like dirtying shit, my bad. Since I don't like dirtying shit, the plates, I always use the styrofoam. For $1 a piece, $1 a packet, cheap as fuck, right? Okay. So now that you have that, let's start opening our crema and getting our cheese ready. I swear to God, dude. I swear to God, guys. You try this, give it a try. Y si no, pues entonces me vienes a joder a mí, then you come tell me shit. But I'm not gonna die, you know. This shit is some good shit. Look at that. It looks burnt. Now that these are off, watch. Toasty as fuck. See how you like to eat garlic bread? Yeah, the fucking garlic bread. That shit is fucking worse than this shit, dude. Guaranteed. You go to you go to like Olive Garden. You go to Olive Garden and then you fucking get those breads all like all fucking what they call all greasy and shit. Nah. Now that you have the fucking chorizo on the bread, now what you could do is utilize the cheese that you had from earlier, and this is what you're gonna do. Shit you not. Look, let me show you guys. What you need is some fresh cheese. Where do you want to go? Alright, fuck it. So you need fresh cheese. And you're gonna start squishing it little by little, because you don't want the whole shit pouring out of the plate. But once you have the fucking cheese and the chorizo like that, then you close it. Once you close it, Look at that. Fucking making chorizo con huevo. So chorizo, according to Google, is pronounced chorizo in Spanish. I don't know why, blame Google. But so you make some breakfast. See how you have the bread, toasted bread? It's kind of, well, this one is burnt. This shit is dumb. But all you have to put is chorizo with egg, put some cream, put some fresh cheese on it, and then you get your the goodest breakfast, authentic breakfast you can make. You don't have to go to Burger King. You don't have to go for Burger King. You see how they have the 2 for $6 deals? Yeah. So imagine the 2 for $6 deals, but instead of the $6, you go to the store and then you buy yourself a whole pound of chorizo. And then now that you have the chorizo pound, now you could, like, you know, make your own breakfast. People usually late for work. People usually, like, they have to go different places and they don't have time to make the shit. Oh my, no, it's not even burning the bread. Like, I know it looks like shit. I mean, that's what's my breakfast. That's why whenever y'all make it, y'all learn from the mistakes, and y'all see this video, you're like, you can't have a burnt bread. You have to be like, all right, I'm gonna make a better bread, better toasty bread. I think better than the Olive Garden ones, because the Olive Gardens are too fucking garlicky. But you could either put crema salvadoreña on the shit, or you could put cream cheese. In either way, they're both taste fucking delicious. Even if it's my burnt bread. You know what I mean? Let's see, so you make sure that the crema is in every single premises of the fucking bread, because if you miss any premises, then you don't get the crema flavor. And then if you don't get the crema flavor, then what the fuck is the point? So that shit is done, right? So now you get the fresh cheese, right? Fresh cheese. Show it to the camera, fresh cheese, guys. And then all you have to do is squish. Squish it until it fits. And if it falls, now you got extra cheese to eat out of, because it fell off the plate. Watch. Look at this shit. Can't even coordinate it right. Boom. Chef Ramsay would be like, this is the stupidest piece of shit fucking food ever seen in my god entire life. Yeah, see, people go to work so fucking late. They're like, oh, only got like pinche, you know, no, dude, no. Wake up 20 minutes earlier before waking up, if that makes sense. So all you have to do is put your alarm 20 minutes earlier. Come get your ass up. Go to the kitchen. Since you already bought the pound of chorizo, you don't have to worry about going to the store. It only takes 5 minutes the most. You know what I mean? Doesn't even take that fucking long to cook. All you have to put is put it on the 10 on the oven. Make sure you put it on the 10 on the oven. Not 10. Don't burn your fucking house either. I usually put it at like 8, 7. But besides that, you know, it's easy breezy. See, many people don't know how to cook. This new generation, a lot of people don't know how to cook. And that's the problem. How the fuck are you supposed to survive without not knowing how to cook? It's like, you gotta know, man. Can't live in this earth without fucking knowing how to cook. Can't just depend on you can't just depend on fucking Burger King and McDonald's and all this other fucking bullshit. Just can't. So you have to do is wrap the fucking thing around, and then you're good, you're set. Alright. Well, there you go, guys. There you go, guys. It is done. See, let me try that. See, as you can see here, guys, got yourself a good ass breakfast. Now, I still don't know what to call it. I usually just call it chorizo con huevo sandwich or with bread or something. But it is always worth it every single bite. I'll see y'all later.